Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while that I created any videos, but today this video is about my early Christmas gift, that is Sony PlayStation 5, which I got a gift from my wife. And the interesting part about this gift is that we got it from coastguardexchange.com, which is around like $380. And along with that, I got a free gift, which is a Sony DualSense Controller 5, which is free, which on a regular market would be like $75-$80. It was on a deal for like $55 out over there, but they gave me a deal. So let me get the boxes and let's do unboxing. So guys, as you can see, the boxes are over here. This is the Sony PlayStation 5 and this is a DualSense controller. So let's do the unboxing. Come in. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. Let me put the boxes aside. So basically, this is the DualSense controller which I was talking about, and it is the camouflage version, which I liked it. So of course, I'm gonna keep it. Let me put this aside and let's unbox the PlayStation. Let's go for the ultimate one. The moment we were waiting for, guys. So as I said, the price, guys, there you could see $379. And there you go, Sony PlayStation 5 over here. So guys, this is the CFI 2015 model and 4K. Let's unbox it. I'm excited. Let me open up the seal. Okay, the seal is opened. Let's open up. Oops, I just tore off the box, but never mind. There you go, the box. Let me put this box aside. Okay, and I think so this is the top part. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, this is your connector. Seems this is kind of the horizontal stand. This is how it looks like. Okay, the horizontal stand. Let me put this aside for now. Let's open up this part. An HDMI cable. Along with this, the white controller with this box. Black and white looks good. Let me put this to aside. And the moment of truth. Oops. Let's grab the PlayStation from inside. Okay, so let me get the main product out. Okay, let's open this thing. So here you go, guys. This is our PlayStation 5, Sony PlayStation 5. This is the disc version, not the digital one. And so finally, this is what I have got for my Christmas gift. So eventually, if you see out over here, So this is your PlayStation 5, your controller, your main connector, charging cable for the controller. This is your HDMI 5 cable, and this is your second DualSense controller. Let's open that too. Let me open the seal. So guys, this is the camouflage version which they gave it me for free. Roughly it would be at 75 $80 easily in the market as of right now. Maybe like if the discount is running, maybe like 65 bucks. But eventually I'll give you a final shot of like what do I have in all today. So if I zoom back a little bit, so this is your PlayStation 5, the disc version. This is what you get along with the box. This is the free thing that I got. So eventually guys, this is my Christmas gift, so I'm going to be enjoying it. And guys, if you like the content, of course, give it a like to my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.